The next link I need to make on this website is a link to the press releases. And what I'd like to do is, because there are typically a lot of press releases, and because you can tell a lot from a press release from the title, they tend to be a little bit drier, like product announcements and that kind of thing. I'm going to take a different approach to this. What I'd like to do is I'd like to have a web page that displays a list of just the titles of my press release. And that will keep my page short, and people will be able to scan through those press releases really, really quickly to find information that they need. So this is called a category list, and I'm going to go ahead and configure one of those now. So to do this, I'm going to go to Menus, Main Menu, and I'm going to add another new menu item to the website. So once again, I'm going to click the New button, and I'm going to select my menu item type. I'm still working with articles, so I'm still going to look under articles here. And what I'm going to look for now is the category list, a list of articles in the category. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to ask me which category I'd like to use. Well, that will be the press releases category. My menu title will be press releases. And then, of course, where would I like this located? Well, I'd like this located down under news and info. So I'm going to go ahead and select that from the list. And I'm going to go ahead and say save and close. Now when I go to the front end of the website and I click on News and Info, underneath I have my two links, one for Solar Blog, the other for press releases. When I click on press releases, you'll see that I have a list of all of these particular articles. Right now, I happen to be logged into the website. I actually logged into the website a really long time ago. It was way back when I was showing you the global configuration, and I showed you how you can hide the whole site behind a login. And because I'm logged into the website here, which you can tell by looking at this login form, I have these little icons over here on the side that say Edit. And that's because I have the credentials to edit these articles from the front end of the website right here inside of Joomla. So what I'd like to do is to get rid of all of that. What I need to do is make sure I've logged out. So I'm going to click this Log Out button here. You may not even be logged into the site. And if you're not logged in and you have a login form that looks like this, you might not have ever seen those edit icons over there on the side. So now what you see here on the press releases page is just a list of these titles. Notice that they also tell you that they were written by super user, which you probably really don't care about. And then over here on the side, you have an indication of how many hits each one of these articles has gotten. You have a drop down here on the top so you can configure how many of these things you're seeing at a time. But, we're missing a lot on this page. We're missing the words press release. We're missing a little bit of introductory text. And we probably want to clean up the look of this a little bit, which I'll show you how to do all of that in the next video. If you click on any of these, though, you'll go into a page that will show you the press release along with the picture. And you can just go on through and you can click on those and see all of your press releases are there and available. But this page itself definitely needs a little bit of cleanup, which I'll cover in advanced category list configuration in the next video.